Welcome to another part of my Management Accounts Automation Masterclass. If you've landed here without context, I recommend starting with the introduction video. It's linked below. Everything you need to follow along is in the description. Let's get into it. And finally, our last report, which is very similar to this one, except the same. We're doing the same, exactly the same, just for customers. So I'm going to actually do some cheating and just steal the formula from here. So this will work the same way, except we will want to look for customers, not supplier. Customer, and then it needs some space. Okay, and if we want them to appear in better order, let's just do sort. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to give it some space and extend the sum. This can go, and we now need the figures. So again, I'm going to borrow this formula and just change. It's all exactly the same, except we're looking in debtors. And we want customer. We don't need to refer. We're referring to A6 in this case, A7. And here we don't need the minus. So these are our customer balances. Dynamic list of customers, dynamic list of balances. We can add the hide show as well. I'm not going to do this here. And again, this is exactly the same. And final thing, we want to check this against trial balance or balance sheet. So I'm checking this against balance sheet debtors, and perfect. So this is it. Now I'm going to, let me actually add this so I can then show you how this updates. But again, I'm not going to start from scratch. Something did not work. Okay, so the formula is the same. I want to show my check. So I will, and I want to show the check here as well. Although this shouldn't, okay, this will still show if I just check. So instead, I'm just not going to have the formula here. So now filter, and we just want the show. Okay, this is it. Thanks for watching. You're one step closer to a fully automated month end. And remember, you don't need to go through the entire masterclass before you start seeing results. Each layer we build adds practical automation that you can apply immediately to your own work. By the end of the series, you'll have everything you need to implement the full system to your own data. And if you'd prefer support or want the system implemented for your company, you can contact me through my website. I'll see you in the next lesson.